messed up. I'm just saying. Hi, I'm Miya. I'm an off-duty guild receptionist, and you are welcome to drop by the guild over on my Twitch, where we do live reacts, and also my main YouTube channel, where we have covers, and also where we play games. Today, we are reacting to Birds for some reason. I have watched this, but apparently there's a sequel, so we're just gonna watch all of them at once. Question mark. Let's get into it. Good stuff, good stuff.
Met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all...
Okay, I have seen this, but through like various shorts and reels, and I don't think I've seen the actual full video before. So this part is new to me. I did not, dude. First second of the video, pure Riz. I'm sorry, no, but it's true.
Alone, so was I, so asked her for a name. She started looking at me. I was surprised to see.
Look, this is already pretty good. This is already pretty good.
A woman like that was real into me. She said she didn't have no man. Baby, get the baby, she told me she was all alone. Said I don't get no one. She said
this is actually adorable. Like I don't know how to explain this. Question mark.
Never would have thought she was living like that. Her words seem...
I'm so glad we're actually... I'm so glad we're actually watching the full video. I don't remember this. Oh, man.
She would tell me how she feels. It felt so real.
He was doing a good job. I got rizzed up. I'm just saying.
Angel sent from heaven just for me. She said she didn't have no
oh, this is great. He literally had it in him this whole time. Like, in hindsight, this was a surprise to me initially. I was like, oh my god, he's staring at him. No, but like, if you really think about it, this bird, not once did he look at like the female bird? Question mark. I don't know what to call her. Question mark. The female bird, the girly birdie. Question mark. Question mark. His eyes were completely locked onto this one dude, and obviously he had it in him. Great, good stuff. Love it. Let's go! Yo, I think it's so good.
Met her on the way to Chicago.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Question mark. Question mark. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. This is the sequel. Okay, this is the sequel.
She dances in this sheets at night. She dances to
damn.
She dances till he feels just right until he falls asleep.
This is such a quality shitpost. Is it okay that I call it that a shitpost? Because like this person knows their shit. This is like really good art. This is seriously good art. I love when people take like their skills and they turn it into something fun. And like it's great. It's really cool.
She dances at the crack of dawn and quickly cooks his food. She can be...
Okay, at this point, they're just flexing on her. I'm just... You don't have to sit here. Question mark. Oh shit! Wait! She works so hard just to make her way for a man to just don't appreciate, and all she takes her love in vain. I'm so... Oh, that was just mean. That was just mean. insane. I was so ready. Okay, I was so prepared to go like, bro, it's for the fucking streets. But I was immediately proven wrong. I apologize. This is my formal public apology. This is a great video. Oh my god. No, but she was so good though. That's fun. That was really fun. Question mark. Wait! Do you want to watch this video ad-free? Because now you can on my Patreon. And yes, it's completely free. But if you'd like to support my channel a little bit extra, you can get early access to my videos and also uncut reactions, which means you get my reactions earlier than my editor. I stream on Twitch as well and on my main channel too. If you've made it this far, it would mean so much if you consider hitting that subscribe button. Thank you so much for giving my video a chance. And yeah, I guess you can go now. Have a great day.